Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure other devices permission on Windows 11. So maybe you install or you plug in other device not like unconventional device. Maybe the Windows cannot recognize what device is that. You can give permission to the Windows and let the device running under the system. So you can do it by click the start icon and go to the settings. Here you can try to search privacy and security and try to search the other devices. You can click it. So here this settings, this permission is on. You can communicate with unpaired devices. Let your apps automatically share and synchronize info with wireless devices that don't explicitly pair with your PC, tablet, or your phone. For example, beacons. So this is will turn on. But if you don't want to give a permission, you can turn this off. Maybe you need extra security. You don't want to unidentified device connect with your PC or laptop. You can turn this off. Here you can use app that communicate with unpaired device. If you feel you need to turn this on and choose the app, please do it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.